just going to show you the basics of how we mount our whiteboards, our non-interactive whiteboards. So first, obviously, you're going to measure your space, find the halfway mark, then you're going to measure 900 from the ground, 900, and you're going to drill your center hole for your pen tray. Okay, when you have your center hole for your pen tray, you're going to line that up. You're going to put your level and find the level, and then mark your other two holes. From there, you can start drilling all three holes. Once you have all three holes, you can install your pen tray. So just put the fisher plug with the screw through the pen tray into the hole, just so it's nice and strong. You can just hammer it in. I would advise you take a star screwdriver. You hammer in. All of your screws. You can also just double check that it is still hammered. Alright guys, now that your pen tray is up, you're going to have to mark the center of the pen tray. Okay, just mark it here under the screw on this little edge here. Then you're going to take the whiteboard. You're obviously going to determine which side is the top. If this side is going to be your top or this side is going to be your top. Whichever side it is, the top you're going to measure 10 in and make a mark. You're going to measure the half, which is 81. You're going to make a mark, and then from the other side also you're going to measure 10, you're going to make a mark. Then on the bottom side, whichever side you choose that is, you're also going to mark 81. Okay, you're going to now take the bottom of your whiteboard and put it on top of your pen tray. Okay. Just make sure you are lining up the two marks that you have made. Ideally make it in pencil so you can erase it. Now, wherever you made your marks, your three marks on the top, you can just draw a line and almost like you're drawing a T on it. So there, and then there. Then you can take the whiteboard off again. You're going to take one of the L brackets. You're going to take it long side down. You're going to find your T's. You're going to put the corner of it on top of there, and you're going to mark the long side of it, just so you know where to draw. Same on this one, and then same on this one. Okay. Alright, now that your three holes are drilled, you're going to put your fisher plugs in, and you're going to use a hammer to tap them flat with all three. Okay, now you're going to take your three brackets with the screws. Okay, obviously again with the long side. Then all three. Okay. And then you can use the hammer, or you can use the hammer and the star, making sure that they are, I would say, short side up. Alright, and from there, you put up the board. Guys, now you're going to take your three square nuts, you're going to bring them here to this track. You're going to slide all three in. Okay, obviously long side so that it hooks. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright, I'm going to get my 3 screws, 3 nuts, and 3 square nuts, and just tighten up here. You're going to have to tighten quite a bit up until the bracket holds, and you really feel it if it doesn't hold. You really do. All 3. That should be a whiteboard.